Okay, outside of Hood versus Hood, because the platform, I believe, more nationwide. Sengichazela bona.
Sure, mfethu, ngithazele.
Yeah, bafethu, sesitayitshilo nje ngamjebula. The novel representer was crowned the best lyricist. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say,
Manje i-best lyricist yethu uzosikhiphela anytime soon.
Unfortunately, first, kube unforeseen circumstances. In a way that I had to pull back kancane ku-music, so ngisabeke yonke into on pause first. However, I've finished my features all over first. I'm still engaging to my closest friends first. But I am a feature, but for now, I personally is held on hold. Held on pause. So.
On hold uchaza siyabuya.
Yeah, siyabuya mfethu.
Nanda. Kambe yipi i-advice noma ungeze udalule ukuthi wena yini ekubeka ku-on hold. Yini ongayi-advise elinye i-artist ngokubaluleka kokungagxili entweni eyodwa impilo izibhalance mfethu.
Bafethu, unfortunately, i-reality is in South Africa, and we have to provide not for our families but for ourselves. So if uvela lo opportunity ezongenisela imali yabo, or rather you have to take in gap year kancane ka hip hop because usafuna ukusha ama studies yabo into kanja, because mina actually mfethu I'm currently busy with my studies while working, so kuba kuningi mfethu ngicela ngingasawazi yabo, so ukuze abantu bengalokhu be-expect ukuthi uThabiso wakhiphe bese ngcono ngenza announcement ukuthi yabo.
Yazi nje Thabo uyenza ngale announcement abantu bebengebaze ba notice ukuthi uthathe upause because wena wazi ukuthi you are on hold. Abantu bazi you are cooking. You are cooking. When you can feel the pressure ukuthi abantu like abantu they can feel ukuthi ngisekho egameni. But no, akukho kanjalo my king. So mina I'm happy ukuthi kodwa uzoyenza into oyenzayo mase uyabuyela nokuthi ngihappy ngokuthi lento uready ukudisclose emphakathini khona uzoba inspired nomunye umuntu ukuthi ungayitsheni mhlawumbe ukuthi uyalahla uma unaka impilo yakho first. So yeah,
ngiyabonga king, thank you for having me.
Ngibonisa nje lama shoutouts because ngiyazi Team 14 namajita Ntswembu.
Shout out to Siren first. He's always gonna be the first guy that comes in mind first.
Ngiyabona ama videos akho ukuthi most ciphers isonga kamjita.
Yeah, I mean, as an MC, I believe Utu Siren is a complete MC. So he checks all the boxes, freestyling, storytelling, you name it, my G. But he's my inspiration, basically. I look up to him a lot, and shout out to him. Shout out to K79. Shout out to Ngaba King. Shout out to Kapazi and Ngagabazi because he's behind the scene most of the time, but he's also one of our finest MCs that we have. Shout out to Ntwana, shout out to Konipani General. Ngisazoyibona abafethu sisafaka isipani esikhulu umsebenzi muhle kakhulu yazi.
Any sessions happening ngale?
Currently at the moment awekho mfethu nanokuthi sengithe ukushifta kancane lokushini, so anginaso isonto esigcwele sengidlala nje la eGrobheni.
Singababongela amajita ukuthi wakhona mfethu ma-shoutouts and all that because abantu abangazi ukuthi usapause egamini bazola beqhamuka kanje, and wena uma usuplaka amanye amajita that shows uthando kakhulu for game.
Siyayithanda lento siyaphila abafethu. Let's keep it moving.
Keep rapping mfethu, uyarappa though. Uyarappa lokho ngempela, hayi lokho kokucisha urap.
Appreciate lokho makuqhamuka kuwena kuzokukhulu kumina.
Okwanye wangichallenge.
I remember pretty well, and I don't know, if ever something I come back again, I would like it to still happen.
So, announcer ukuthi mawubuya sibuya ngebhela.
Straight bafethu. Ngiyaconfirm manje mangibuya egameni. Ngilindele ibhero ya Tshitayitshilo ya Cannibal. Kodwa mina Cannibal first bengifisa kanyawisi. ukuthi angisiwe umuntu othela isikhathi esiningi sokubhala yabo, so if singashaya one round battle mhlambe unlimited time, I would appreciate that. Mhlambe wena as a fully grown artist ungi-accommodate mina njengomuntu mhlambe ozobe ngeke ngithi debut yami yokuqala ku-battle rap, because niggas that goes way back know I used to do ama-freestyle battles a lot nani. But as someone who's not familiar kangako nespace samanje se-hip hop, it can get a lot. But if you can accommodate me mhlambe ngo-one round battle, mhlambe ngisho singathi wa 10 minutes or whatever.
Let's say it's on. Nami sengine-understanding e-different from ekuqaleni. Yabo, sengibona ezinye izinto engingayibhenefitha from ukuthi yenzeke.